So, annyeonghaseyo, teachers. So, Teacher Rana and Teacher Joanna, since all things from Teacher Sol's house were transferred here naman already. So, you all know that both of you are the teachers here in Mar Beach area. So, I hope both of you will do cooperation, will do teamwork as a team, okay? Work as a team, okay? And don't mind if only Teacher Joanna is there. Di pod ka mag-teach, you will not teach. But you have to do cooperation yun. Magsabot-sabot yun mga kung asa inyuhang pampatipol kay sometimes Teacher Joanna is not available because of her studies. So, magsabot-sabot yun mga ha. Dili lang kay abig na si Teacher Joanna, siya rapod. Okay, so, as a teacher, you have to act as a leader, both of you. So, inyong hunaon-naon, you will think that you're not an assistant teacher. You will think that both of you are the main teachers. Inyong hunaon-naon. Okay? So, also, when it comes to teaching, it's up to you. It's your own strategies. Okay? And then, kung unsa raman ato ang main is ang kataramang illiterate, diba? Illiterate students will be improved. Then, some others are good manners, multiplication, and English conversation. Okay? So, also, when it comes in monthly activities, i-renovera na mo, wala pa.
Lice remover.
So, there is a lice remover, fire extinguisher, movie marathon, and also your anything activities inyong ibuhaton. Okay, so in that case you have to send videos kay para aware or makita na mo nga you are active. And also we can see your performance kay in that videos, that's the proof na ni perform good mo, and then makita pod na to ang improvement sa students. Okay? Yes, send us ako. Then how about the study room expenses? The turnover na po. Okay, so study room expenses. So I'll be telling you that expenses is only for the study room. Don't use it for personal. Kaya base mo maparya sa previous teacher nga gigamit sa matangtang. Kaya gigamit in personal, but we are not allowed to use it for personal. Okay? So study room expenses, we will use it for what you need inside the study room, especially for the students. And if there's a mission na if mag-need of travel niya ka nang like padon sa office, students are not allowed to give their money to TV, or teachers will provide the transportation fee. Okay, so pwede mo makuha din ha sa study room expenses. Okay? And also, if kung namoy mga, there is a lot of confusion nang gikalibgan ninyo, feel free to ask me or sa GC padera. Kira kay base na makatubag sa inyo, or if kung di ko ka-reply na yun. And then, also, this study room, dili ni siya allowed og sambayan o bisag kinsa ha. Only the teacher and students na lang. Okay? Nya dili pwede ayaw ninyo o kanang nay mga bata magduwa-duwa kay nganuman what will happen, maybe your things will get lost or some things will get broken, and then basin unsa pay mahilabtan. Okay, so if you will not use the study room, keep it close kung mahimo ha. If kung si Teacher Joanna ganahan mag-study, like self-study, may na po yung mga students na ganahan maghimo silang schoolworks, open ra, pwede ra ipa-open. Okay? O, niya, kung ganahan mo nga, kung mag-during class time, pwede rin ninyo i-close, kaya para wala sa, daghan na ba kayong mga bata. So, ayaw mo pagkuan niya ka nang, okay, ang mga bata, magduwa-duwa diri, magtanaw ka, maka-cause of distraction, saba. Okay, the study room is built for the Mar Beach area students, study room students. Okay, so daily allowed nga na yung mga standbyers, aray matulog, kaya basi nyo, random visit mi, yun na natulog diri. Okay. Basig masing sa area before nga na sudlan na mo nga nay natug, so di na siya allowed. Okay? So if dili magamit, keep that study room closed. Okay ra?
Yeah, so ang case,
Come on, magunit. Oh, it's up to you. Pwede rin ninyo either inyo bang i-billing niya or something. Kuan. Total dool naman mo sa inyong balay.
okay ra gid siya. Diba sa room naman na yung mga
Decoration.
decoration. Pwede ra.
Kamoy mo decorate? Yes. It's up to you. Oh, kung unsay kuan, that's why both of you teachers, kamo ang teachers, so kamo ang mo lead. Kung unsay inyong ganahan may tao sa study room, kamo na bahala. Okay? So, also, if kung study room expenses, dili kayo mo gasto if kung dili kayo useful. Kaya mostly, basta nanguban kay kuan na kiat o gasto, kaya para, kung kana lang yung very useful, ayaw ng mga wants nga murag, kuan kayo, waste kayo sa money. Okay? So, tinabangay lang yun. Let's work as a team. Okay? So, this study room will be your own study room. Okay? Fighting? How about sa mga inyong masulti sa new study room karon? Wide na space, right? Than before, niya comfortable na. So, maybe this day, ihatdan mo o ka ng power bank, solar, para na nampun may kuan. So, maybe this time, night time, makasubod na mo og study here. Okay, so I hope both of you teachers guide the students as well. Okay, dili pareha sa abang kuan na. I observe pila ko ka days diri no, some other parents kay mulihok lang og naa si sir. Di ba? Then others will not cooperate. Same thing, di ba? We told you that mag-gather of stones para kuan. But what happened? Kids only, mother ni Sean, only mother ni kinsa Ana Marie, o kinsa si mother ni Disini. Oh. So, others are kids pag yun ni dili students, aside sa student study room students, diba? So, I hope inyo sila mitingon ha, kay dili lang kay ako'y naka-observe, maybe kamo pero walang mo ni-inform nako. Lisod pod, if they will just receive a donation, then they will not help for the students rapod baya, diba? For the better, for the kuan pod baya ni sa benefits rapod baya ni sa students, diba? Okay? So, if kung unsa man gani, if kung masamok or something na kuan, if need mo og help sa inyo ako ang guidance, pwede ra mo contact nako kay para arion ta mo. Okay? Thank you. Okay, thank you.